Hi everyone, hope all is well. Our channel is all about engineering, design, innovations and technology. So if you're interested in these topics, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the notifications and updates related to this channel. In today's session, we are gonna cover two parts of this assembly. That is a small gear and a bigger one. They are the driving gears. They are called driving gears because these are the gears that drive the camshaft. So let's begin. So open SolidWorks, go to File, click New, select Part and then click OK. Now from the right bottom, set the units in millimeter. Now select right plane and click on Sketch. We are going to make the small gear first. So click on Circle. Now using Smart Dimensions, we'll give the dimension as 60 mm. Okay. Now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss, and instead of blind, we will select mid plane and we'll give the dimension 15 mm. Alright, now click OK. Okay, now select this front surface and make it normal. Now we are going to sketch the thread of the gear. Okay, so for that, click on Sketch. After selecting the surface, just click on Sketch and then now we'll make a center line first. Okay, now click on Circle and make a circle with the same dia as that of the first circle we have made. Now select 3-point arc and we'll make an arc like this. The first point will be coincident with the circle, second point collinear to this point, and the third one somewhere here like this. Alright, now using line we will connect these 2 points. Okay, now using Smart Dimensions, we'll give the dimension of this circle as 60. Now this distance, (1.5 mm). Now distance between this point and the center line as 4 mm. Now we'll have to give the height. This horizontal distance, that means the height will be 6 mm and the radius of this arc will be 11. Alright, now from Sketch, select Mirror Entities and select all those lines to be mirrored. So I'm gonna select this line and this arc, and in Mirror About, select the center line and then click OK. Now using Trim Entities, select Trim to Closest and we'll trim off this line. That means the circle which you have created. Alright, now click OK. Now go to Features, click on Extruded Boss, and here instead of line we will select Up to Surface, and here we will select the surface. See? Now click OK. Now we want this in a circular pattern all over this circular surface. So for that we will select circular pattern from features, and for direction we will select this surface and select equal spacing from here, and we'll give the number here. We'll give it as 16. Now click OK. Alright, now select right plane, make it normal, and click on sketch. So make a circle, and using smart dimension give the dimension as 40 mm. Okay, now go to features, click on extruded boss, and instead of blind select mid plane, and we'll give the dimension 36. Alright, okay, now we have a circular cutting here. So for that just select the surface. You can either select right plane or you can select either of these surfaces. Okay, I'm gonna select this plane, make it normal. Now click on sketch. We'll start with making a circle. Now click on the rectangle, and let's make a rectangle like this. Alright, now just click on this point and drag it and make it coincident with the circle. Alright, how you will know that it is coincident? You will get a green color mark here showing that it is coincident. It is the relation that is created. Okay, alright, now using smart dimensions we'll give the dimension. We'll give the dimension of the circle, that is 25, and this horizontal distance is 8 mm, and the distance from this point, that means the origin to this, will be 15. Alright, now click on trim entities, select trim to closest, and we will trim these interior lines. Okay, now go to features, click on extruded cut, and instead of blind select through all and click OK. So we have got our gear ready. Now save the part. Now after saving the part, let's close this, and similarly we are going to create the second gear. So click on right plane and then click on sketch. Now using smart dimensions we will give the dimension of the circle as 120 mm. Okay, go to features, click on extruded boss and select mid plane, and we'll give the dimension 15 mm. Alright, now select the surface, make it normal and click on sketch. Now we'll make a center line. Line like this, and select 3-point arc. Alright, now using smart dimension, let's give the dimension 120. The radius is 17. This distance is 1.5. distance between this point and the center line is 4 mm. Now the height is 6.27. Alright, now click on mirror entities and we will select the arc and the line and mirror about. We will select the center line. Yeah. Now using trim entities, we will trim off the circle. Okay. Now go to features, click on extruded boss, and here we will select up to surface and we will select the surface and then click OK. Okay, now select circular pattern and in direction 1 we will select the surface, and here in number we will give it 32. Alright, now we will sketch on the right plane again. Click on sketch. Now click on circle. Using smart dimension, we'll give the dimension as 40. Go to features, click on extruded boss, select mid plane and give it 36. Alright, now select this surface, make it normal. Make a circle and a rectangle. And adjust the point so that it will be coincident with the circle. Now using smart dimension, I will give the distance from the center point to the horizontal line as 12 mm. The dia of the circle will be 20 and this distance will be 8. Okay, now trim entities and let's trim off these lines. Okay, now go to features, click on extruded cut and here we will select through all. Okay, now select the surface, make it normal and click on sketch. Now first we will make a big circle and then a smaller one. Now using smart dimension, we'll give the dimension as 110 mm and the dimension of the smaller one as 48 mm. Now go to features, click on extruded cut and we'll give the dimension of the cut as 3 mm. Okay, now we have one more thing left to do. Before that, select the surface, make it normal click on sketch. First we'll make a circle and one more circle like this. Now using smart dimension, we'll keep the dimension of the bigger circle as 78.5 and the die of the smaller circle will be 13 mm. Alright, now we want these small circles through all. Okay, so for that we will select circular pattern from sketch. Okay, now we'll select these circles. Okay, in entities to pattern. Okay, here in bottom we have entities to pattern, so select that and then select the circle, and we will give the number here as 7. Okay, now click OK. Now go to features, click on extruded cut, and select all these circles. Now select through all and click OK. So we have got our second gear also ready. Now save the part. Well, this is the final rendered image of the 2 driving gears we have created today using SolidWorks. If you found this video helpful, then please do like, share and subscribe. And let me know your suggestions in comment box. I'm Deepti Matthew. Thanks for watching.